This is the Local 12 Business Minute, brought to you by 25 Again.
Hi, I'm here with NFL legend Ickey Woods. He's a patient of 25 Again, the leader in hormone health. Tell me, how has 25 Again changed your life?
Oh, it has made me a new man. It has really changed my life. I've lost over 80 pounds on the program. My diabetes is down, 7.5% body fat. The program is tremendous. They also help you through the program. They guide you through every step. You're not there alone, and that's the great thing about me is I wasn't alone. They helped me through the program. So it's a great program. Get on it.
All right, so 80 pounds down, lots of benefits, and they help to maintain your success. You feel 25 again?
I do feel 25 again, I do.
That's great. Well, I know there's a special offer going on right now, $75 off your first visit. Learn more at 25again.com/local12.
This has been the Local 12 Business Minute, brought to you by 25 Again.